personnel. Your unwavering sacrifice and dedication ensures our safety and freedom. We honor you today and every day. Jai Hind.
We extend our sincere thanks to our ministers, IPS officers, and high officials. Your commitment to surveying the nation and guiding us towards progress is invaluable. Thanks for your leadership. Jai Hind.
In the times of disaster, we witness the true spirit of India. Thank you to every citizen who comes together to support one another. I am proud to be an Indian. Together we rise stronger. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.